Oh my gosh, this is my first video testing out Instax 360 Go Ultra. It's so tiny, but it gives so much of space, and I love that. I just took a shower and I'm gonna get ready for the first event, which is a movie premiere for Charlie the Wonder Dog with Owen Wilson, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna be there at the premiere and we get to paint him, so excited about that. So let's just get ready really quick. Ready to go.
My friend got it for me for my birthday.
That is so
It's like
cute.
a camera keychain.
It's like tinier than my camera. Oh my gosh.
Is that a new camera?
Yes, it's my new camera.
Hello. Welcome to the Wonder Dog world premiere.
Hi ladies.
Hi.
My little new camera.
So cute.
I know,
so tiny.
So tiny. Look at this.
That's even smaller. What the heck?
Let me show you where we're at. So cute. We're at Charlie the Wonder Dog's movie premiere.
Got a rainbow blanket.
Yeah? Think so? Old stomping grounds. I flew in a few days ago and we did our first event last night for the movie premiere for Charlie the Wonder Dog featuring Owen Wilson, and we got to paint pet portraits, which was so much fun. And tonight we have the Globe Awards, so it's a very full weekend. I picked up some new products. I probably should have practiced this before, but oh well. I'm gonna try out the Rare Beauty contour stick. I got the Happy Soul, so let's see how it turns out. It looks like this. Hold on. This is the first time I'm ever attempting to do a get ready with me video, and I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm realizing that it's quite difficult to multitask. I've also never used a contour cream stick before, only powder, so let's just see how this turns out. Do not follow what I am doing because I do not know what I'm doing, but my friend has recommended this product before, so I'm just trusting her and winging it. Okay, that looks okay. So I have lived in California most of my life, and I have been in Tennessee for about 5 years. And every time I come back, which is typically for work, I have some family members here as well. So I do come back to visit my friends and family, but mostly come back for work. I always have a little bit of a culture shock, even though I've lived here most of my life, because California and Tennessee are so different in many ways. Okay, so I think it's blended pretty well. I'm gonna go in with my powder just to make it a little bit more, because that was actually a lot more natural than I thought, or maybe I blended it too much. But I'm gonna go in with my trusted Laura Mercier. I love this color in the Soleil one. And I'm just gonna go in and add a little more contour. I feel like if you have a rounder face, contouring is your best friend. But I always get a little bit of a culture shock coming here, at least in the Orange County area, which is where I'm from. And I can't speak for all of California, of course, but the biggest thing that I notice every time I come down here is the air. And it's probably because I always stay near the beach, but there's truly nothing like the ocean breeze. It just feels so good. And it just feels different. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out a little bit more with my Hourglass Ambiance palette. I think this is discontinued, but it has the pink elephant on it. I'm gonna go in with that color right here. But yeah, the ocean breeze, there's truly nothing like it. I often feel like the California in my head is always sunny, always warm. But every time I come here, I realize that's not true. It can be like 70 degrees and it can still be cold, in my opinion. Not freezing, but cold enough to wear a cardigan. Whereas in Tennessee, you can get away with a tank top in 50-degree weather. And I cannot tell you why that works. So if you're a weather person, please explain to me how that's possible. Because if it's 50 degrees in California, it'd be considered freezing. But if it's 50 degrees in Tennessee, I can literally walk outside in a tank top. I don't know how that works. It just feels like maybe it's the ocean breeze that makes it feel cooler. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush colors down here. I'm just gonna mix the two with my blush brush. Another thing is, I remember feeling this way when we first moved to Tennessee, is that the size of the houses are so different in California and Tennessee. I mean, this goes without saying, but sometimes I forget. For example, I rented an Airbnb with a pretty large backyard because we're traveling with our 5-year-old son and I wanted him to be able to play. He's actually out there playing right now. And so I told him the Airbnb that we're gonna stay at has a huge backyard. You'd have so much fun. And we go back there and he's like, oh, this is so small. And it just reminded me, like, this is a big backyard compared to other houses in California because there's just not as big of a yard. Whereas Tennessee, our backyard is not considered a huge backyard, but it's bigger than the bigger size backyards in California, if that makes sense. So it's all relative depending on where you live in the US, but that's another culture shock. And then of course, finally, my favorite thing about California has got to be the diversity. And of course, I'm eating all the Korean food while I'm here. It's taking me a lot longer to film and do my makeup at the same time. So I'm gonna finish up on my eyeshadow off camera and then I will hop back in once I'm all ready. But before I hop off, the eyeshadows that I'm using today are gonna be the Ilia liquid powder in chromatic tint. It's like a bronzy color. And then I'm also using, this is a Japanese brand, Decorte, and it is also a brownie cream eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do my eyes and get ready and then I'll hop back in. This was like our favorite dish at Bavel years ago.
When I was a little girl, I worked tirelessly for 10 years to fulfill one dream, to become a K-pop idol.
So sweet. Such a good job. I love it. I'm gonna literally frame it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Oh, this is so cute of him. Sorry, I'm taking off.
No, I'm so glad. That makes me so happy.
I'm taking the card.
Yes.
Oh, there's a card in here.
Yes, yes, yes.
Smart. The brand is strong.
Thank you, sweetie. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Let me put it in a sleeve.
Wow. Well, you guys are so talented.
Thank you so much. We finished. Good job, ladies. Good job, good job. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
I posted my watercolor on my story.
Yeah. Bye.
Enjoy to have you guys.
You said it, Daniel.